The river is a highway if it's safe. Every step is a test. Let's go. At minus 27 degrees Celsius, small mistakes grow fast.
Ice tells the story in color.
You earn every meter.
Trees cut wind and mark shelter. You camp where wind weakens.
Off the ice, still close to water.
Wind decides everything out here. Gear becomes the first wall. Tools first, always.
A firm base keeps you alive.
Orientation is protection.
Cold wind turns seconds into risk.
Now we build the shelter fast.
Wind loads must be spread out.
Gear becomes the first wall.
Structure beats wind.
Orientation is protection.
Redundancy is warmth.
A sealed door keeps heat.
Airflow stops ice inside.
You never assume the ice.
Safe paths prevent accidents.
Fuel is the next priority. Once it holds, you transition. Now we work from inside.
Entry is controlled or heat escapes.
Steels turn wind into silence.
Airflow prevents ice inside.
A dry floor protects everything.
Inside space becomes a system. Fire needs a safe footprint.
Wind control comes before flame.
Moisture turns to ice fast.
Dry gear is stored warmth.
The river wind never stops.
Ice is checked every time.
Close the system fast.
With shelter stable, we make heat and water.
Fire starts with control. Cold fuel burns weak.
A good seal prevents failure.
Water begins as snow.
Slow melt saves fuel.
Every motion costs heat.
Warm metal saves energy.
Liquid water is stored heat.
Boil only what you need. Clear ice can be clear water.
We melt, then we protect. Heat is stored, not shown.
With water secured, we eat. In this cold, prep must be fast.
Dry surfaces keep food safe.
Water does the work. Small inputs change the whole pot.
Clean handling prevents problems. Stir less, keep heat.
Thicker food holds warm.
First calories stabilize the body.
Heat stays centralized. Warmth is maintained, not wasted. Eating is system maintenance.
Insulation replaces fire. Clean systems last longer.
After food, routine takes over.
Heat is tuned, not forced. Small flames survive wind.
Boiling wastes fuel.
Moisture must leave.
Wind tests everything. Liquid water stores heat. Precision keeps you safe. Insulation replaces fuel.
Small loops keep systems alive.
The exit stays clear. You verify under load. Small adjustments prevent tears. Warmth is rationed.
Routine defeats chaos.
Dry gear is stored warmth. Airflow is adjusted, not guessed.
Wet snow. Wet snow turns hostile fast. Layers work only when dry.
Fix small problems early.
Cold dulls everything.
The shelter talks.
Ice is checked every time.
Every entry resets the system.
Moisture is the hidden enemy.
Stillness saves fuel. Check before numbness.
Order prevents mistakes.
Defense starts early. Routine turns danger into work.
Night turns wind into force.
Lines fail before fabric.
Anchors must be deeper at night.
Weight break shelters. Seal low, keep the exit. Airflow is survival math. Reach matters in a storm. Watch the shelter breathe.
storms re-rate plans.
Moisture never sleeps. Shared watch saves energy. Fast work, then in stillness. Stability returns. Restraint preserves tomorrow. Hold through the worst. Morning shows what survived the night.
Moisture leaves evidence.
An exit must stay real. Tension is checked by feel.
You verify under daylight. Anchors must feel solid.
Ice must be proven, not assumed.
Water is a daily task. You check before numbness wins.
Feet decide distance.
Order prevents panic.
Liquid water equals time.
Direction is a safety tool.
Pack before you need to move. Morning turns defense into movement. Loose straps become problems. Warmth travels when protected.
Neat packing saves energy.
Break down in the right order. Keep the shelter low. Recover what you can.
Leave the site clean.
Nothing left behind.
Movement creates warmth. Shelter is temporary by design.
You leave before the weather changes again. And this is how we survive extreme cold, from start to finish.
Discipline carries you forward.
Comment what's next.